today's video, I'm down here in the Embarcadero right here at Seaport Village, and I'm really stoked up today because today is a really nice day. It's really sunny out. Into Seaport Village, and I'm gonna go have a look around, see what's going on down here. I know there's a lot of like shops, restaurants, and it's really interesting to see what's happening. And it's right around here by a place called Embarcadero Park. So they got some pretty classy restaurants around here. So I'm just so happy it's a nice sunny day out, because I've been wanting to come down here when it's nice, not overcast. Look at this boat rental. There's the official sign right there. I guess that could be the official sign of Seaport Village. I'm not sure, but you're gonna take a walk around anyway. Take a walk around on the inside. They got a big directory right here if you want to look at that, but I think I'll just play it by ear. Just kind of walk around and see what's here. I've not been here in quite a while, except for a brief stop when I was through here about a week or so ago. And it actually came in here when I did stop through here, Ben and Jerry's. I just love this little court right here. Very nice. So this is kind of one of the main areas right here, I can tell. Right here in Seaport Village. Looks like this is Spilled Beans Coffee Shop. Check this place out. Maybe I'll go around the other side and come out the front. Not really going in any particular direction here, just kind of wandering actually. See a lot of people out here. I mean, it's just absolutely awesome. Look at this. I like that. Spill the beans. I mean, it's really cool. Just the way it's kind of shaped up and down. Really nice. I will stop for something to drink here in a little bit, but in the meantime I'll continue west on this route here, which is really nice, which is right near the Embarcadero Marina Park. And check this out, and then continue down toward more of Seaport Village, which is this way. But look at this statue right here. Look at this thing. Very nice. Trying to find out what that actually represents, but it's a nice statue. These vendor sections. Let's go see what this rock has to say. Dedicated May 23rd, 1982. And this is dedicated to the merchant seamen who lost their lives at sea. Pretty nice. These are lined up around here at the village. A lot of jewelry. Make your name bracelet any color in just 5 minutes. Wow. A lot of palm readers around here. Must be a big business. And it looks like I'm getting to the busy section, which is good because I haven't actually been down here in a while. I love the view of the bay out here. So just to kind of give you an idea of where the Seaport Village is at in relevance to the position is right across the bay, which is right here. This is actually San Diego Bay. You can see Coronado Bridge in the distance, and then the ferry landing, which is just over to the right, and you can actually take a ferry over here, and it costs $7. I did this about a week ago. I like the building structures around here. Really nice. Now I could definitely use another pair of sunglasses. I've been going through some sunglasses, believe me. I'm going down to my last pair. Got nice areas to eat at around this place. Very, very nice. Nice boardwalk to kind of like relax, walk around. It's a Friday afternoon and you couldn't ask for a better day. It's not too hot, it's sunny out. I always enjoyed seeing the buildings that are kind of like built on stilts right here out on the water. I think they're pretty cool. Check this out, but it looks like they're rebuilding it. It's called the Shorebird, but I always like the architecture of these buildings that are like built right here on the water. I think that's really nice. Makes it for a really cool setting. This is outside of the boardwalk, and I'll probably go on the inside here shortly. And over in the distance is the actual Midway, which I have never been on yet, which I plan on going on.
They got a new manager.
Head back on the boardwalk and try to go on the inside area of this beautiful location here in San Diego. This must be the kind of the heart of it right here, I would think. Looks like it. Not sure really. So I'm actually probably right here in the heart of this Seaport Village, which is, there's a lot of nice places to eat around here. I'm going to take a tour around this way and check it out, see what it looks like. I haven't not been in this section of it, but it looks really nice just by kind of walking around in it. So This is my little tour of the inside. I call the inside look. Just kind of gonna do a circle around here and just see what's around. I'm not really positive, but get around. I don't think you can buy them on the slide. So just kind of walking like right down the center of this area right here, which is the busiest area here in Seaport Village, which is, like I say, it looks like it's the heart of the place. That's all I can say. That looks nice, man. Looks like maybe a Cajun restaurant. I love Cajun food. It's right around lunchtime too, so it's going to be a lot of folks out here. Historic carousel. That looks nice. Bring the kids down there. Look at this. I have not seen one of these in a long time. Box you can get on here. Let's see the history of it. See, 1895. The original placement was in Fair Park, Texas, and there's the rest of the history of it. And it was actually located here in 2004. So, look at this. I think the last time I saw one of these was when I was a kid. That's pretty cool. I've not seen one of these in ages. Something you can do when you come down here. Bring the kids. Continue on this way. Make my way through. See some other really cool sights. Start heading in the backside.
Okay, bye. Ahí nos vemos.
Look at this nice little skiff right there. Seaport Village. Nice. Back around to the boardwalk.
Emma, stop!
Look at this.
Emma! Emma!
That's cool. Going on the inside. This is another nice little fountain. Look at the background. Look at those high rises that get the Hyatt there. That is a nice painting. Beautiful. Maybe I could make that into a thumbnail. That's why I'm doing it. Best. And thank you very much for following along on my video. I really appreciate it because I travel to a lot of places, do a lot of cool things, and today I'm down here on a really nice day in Seaport Village, and it's a lot of folks out, as you can see. And look at the sailboats out there. Very pretty. We finally have a good day. This is kind of the boardwalk action. Pretty nice. Nice. Santa's Workshop. Probably not a lot of business here yet. Like a root beer float. You got one of those? Yeah. Is it the A&W root beer float?
I'm sorry?
Is that A&W? Oh, that's good enough. They're all the same, actually.
Anything else for you?
That's it right there.
And can I have your name?
Joe.
Joe. All right, your total is going to be $12.30, please.
There you go.
And out of 20. He's right there.
Hey, Brian.
And 770 is your change. When everything's ready, we'll call you right here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So this is what you call a root beer float, which I just picked up from this place called the Fudge Factory, and it's what, $12, and it's right over there, and it's starting to melt on me, so it's really cool. I haven't had a root beer float in a long time, so I thought I'd stop by here and check it out, and I'm really enjoying my time here. So it's time to depart Seaport Village. And thank you very much for following along, and I really appreciate it. You know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. I go to a lot of cool places. I love exploring, and Seaport Village today was really cool. Beautiful day out, lots of folks out, and this is a lasting shot of the start of it, where I actually started from. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And this is a lasting shot of this beautiful yacht that is very cool. So, see ya.